4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, no, no. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no.
Hey guys, it's Shamar.
And this is your boy Pico back with another one, you feel me? I know y'all missed me in the last cooking video.
Welcome back to the channel. Like I said, it's another segment of In the Kitchen with my man. Today we are doing something completely different, something that we have never done before. And
I've never even eaten a dish before, so I don't even know what it's supposed to taste like. So
we are making honey glazed salmon. We just went to our local Whole Foods, which they be blessing.
Where they do not bless, they be having niggas stressing.
But it's right by our house, so it's really convenient. So it's like our new store, so we are really excited. So let's show you guys the ingredients, and then we're gonna get right into making this video. It's a learning process for us as well as it is for you. So if we can make it, you guys are definitely gonna be able to make it.
Definitely.
And it's really simple from what we've seen. So let's get into the video.
All right, so we got some broccoli. We got the salmon, you feel me? Gotta have salmon. You can't make salmon without the salmon.
Fresh, never frozen.
Fresh, never frozen. Got your honey. This shit expensive. Brown rice, because you know we ain't eating no more white rice.
He's forcing me to eat brown rice, you guys.
And look at the results it's giving you. Stomach all nice nice up and teeny there. And a fresh lemon.
So those are the items that we picked up from Whole Foods. Also from home, we already had some soy sauce, minced garlic, brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And of course, you know, seasoning for the fish itself, which is salt and pepper. We're probably gonna add a little something to it because it would be us. You know, add a little razzle.
Tastes so good, make you wanna.
Make you wanna do what? Slap you. Oh, we're slapping the kids. Why are you trying to slap me?
Oh, you their mama, and I know slap their mama, so.
Oh. Now we're gonna get into cooking. So let's go.
So we got the fresh, never frozen, farm raised salmon. So we're gonna wash the salmon now. We're gonna put a little vinegar on there. I don't know if y'all wash y'all salmon or not. I don't know if I'm supposed to or not, but I'm gonna wash it in. Now I'm just gonna season the salmon with a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. Just to give it a little flavor, I guess you can say. Damn, Pico, how your hands so steady? Just gonna put a little bit of the Glazed traditional fish seasoning. We got the seasoning on there. I'm just gonna rub it around so it's divided equally throughout the fish. You know, it ain't really much to it. Personally, I would want to add more, but it's our first time, so we're just gonna leave it there. So now we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator while we make our glaze. For the glaze, we already got some butter, already melted. We're gonna add some garlic, minced garlic, about a half a spoonful. Some brown sugar, light brown sugar. Doesn't really matter, a lot of dark. Dana like dark. We're gonna add some soy sauce that we have here. Be careful with this. Shit salty. And then we're gonna add our honey. It doesn't have to be organic honey, it could be any kind of honey. This is the one we have and we're using. Want to mix this up. I'm gonna add a little more black pepper for some seasoning.
Alright you guys, so we just took the salmon out of the fridge because we got done making the marinade. So what we're gonna do now is basically coat the salmon and let it sit there for like another 10 minutes before we actually put it in the oven. So
Last minute adjustment, y'all. We kind of cut up some lemons.
I just cut them in circles and I'm just gonna place them on the bottom of the pan. Have it like this, and then we're gonna place the salmon blade down on it. That's my piece. So keep it in mind, you don't have to season your salmon before you put the marinade on it. You can season the marinade and then put it on the salmon, but we wanted flavor directly on the salmon, so that's why we did that. So we have the marinade that we made with the soy sauce, honey, and garlic, and now we're just gonna coat it all over it.
You want this thing to be juiced out. Oh! Right here, bro, right here. She gonna use up all the freaking stuff on hers.
No, I'm not.
Boy, you was no good, Dana. This girl took the whole thing. Get on this side for me.
We're gonna cover this and let it sit for like I said, 10 minutes. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator though, just to keep it cool. Yeah. And then we're gonna take it back out. So we added some thyme. Can you guys see that? Hold on. Just a strip of thyme, because you know my little Jamaican self just couldn't go without adding a little island flavor to it.
We let it sit in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and
then we took it out and let it kind of like come back to like room temperature. And now we're about to put it in the oven.
Yeah, we're gonna go through and let it like put some more sauce, like just drip it over the top again from the excess.
Yeah, while he does that, I'm just gonna sit here and look cute. Ew, what?
That wasn't cute, huh?
That was not cute. Put a lot on mine. Let me do mine.
All right, what's I ain't done mine, bro.
Tilt it.
So now we're gonna put it in the oven. We got the oven set to broil on low broil because this high broil that shit go fast.
Yeah, you can't really set it on
like
the set temperature, so it's either high or low, so we have it on low. And we're gonna put that in there for 15 minutes.
Alright,
we're back.
We back. 10 minutes have passed. We're gonna take our salmon out. Just gonna go through and just put some more of the
glaze on it.
The glaze on it.
Usually people have that little suction cup thing, but we don't got that. So you can make your glaze more thick, but like I said, it's the first time.
This is our first time.
Man, you're playing with this. Give me this. Playing with it.
I'm putting it back in there for 5 minutes on high.
We're gonna let that do its thing, shout it. And then when we come back, it will be done. It will be done.
Alright, so we back and we think the salmon is done. The 5-minute timer has went off. And hopefully our shit isn't black like me and her.
It smells good.
It smells really good. And here we are.
Let's get a closer look. This is how the salmon looks.
So much leak. So much drip.
We're gonna go ahead and plate this and come back to y'all with the little taster and let y'all know how we did for our first time. You a bobblehead?
We're gonna let y'all know how this thing tastes. You know, I'm gonna keep it real regardless of what it is. You know, that's just me. So, I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, so.
I cannot with you.
Gee, I don't. So we'll figure this thing out.
All right, you guys. So this is the final product. We have brown rice, broccoli, and our glazed salmon with, of course, a lemon on top.
But y'all, the food is done. As y'all can see, I'm ready to go eat, sit this thing down, and get to it because it's smelling so good right now.
Yeah, so let us know down below if you tried this recipe. Let us know how you make your salmon. Like I said, this is our first time.
Yeah. But
don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'm coming to y'all live with the cooking videos in 2020. So y'all stay tuned.
Tell your cousin, sister, auntie, grandma, niece to, you feel me, subscribe, comment.
We don't know what we're gonna cook next. It's whatever we feel. We're always trying stuff. So stay tuned to see what we make. Leave requests down below if y'all want to try something completely new. Let us know. If you want us to make something that we already know how to make, let us know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
As y'all can see, this shit is fucking fire. No exaggeration. My first time tasting it. At first it was like a little fishy taste because I don't really eat a lot of fishes, but it was freaking like phenomenal. Like, I would eat it again and again and again. But yeah, it came out really good. Essential. How you say this?
Essential.
Essential. Essentia, or whatever y'all company name is. Essential. Sponsor your boy. Check it out. Food was phenomenal. We out.